guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting day because I'm going to be making over my daughter's room into a Disney Princess Rapunzel room, and I'm so excited. That is her favorite Disney princess, and I think she's gonna love it. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed because she's got a lot of stuff going on in her room, and I got a lot of decluttering and things like that I gotta take care of, but I'm really excited and I think she's gonna love it. So be sure to watch all the way to the end so you guys can see how it turns out. And if you like this type of video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments below of what you think. And of course, subscribe if you're new to my channel. I would love for you to be a part of my journey. Let's go ahead and get started.
So this is the before. I know it's pretty horrific. Everything is a mess everywhere and cluttered, and I really couldn't even put her tent on the floor because she couldn't walk in her room, so I set it on her bed. First, I decided that I was gonna try to start with a clean slate and literally just take everything out of her room. So I'm going to be doing that first so that I kind of have a blank slate to start with. So unfortunately, the only place that we could put the Wi-Fi modem was in Jenny's room. That is literally the only place in the apartment that you could plug the cable into. So that's where you see all the wires and stuff hanging around. We hate that, but there's really nothing we can do. And then ever since COVID happened, my husband started working from home, and so then that is what the long blue Ethernet cord is as well. And I haven't quite figured out what to do with that because it's just so big. since we live in an apartment, I didn't want to paint the walls or anything, so I purchased these decals off Etsy, and I think they're so cute and they came out really great. I also purchased these little Rapunzel tea light lanterns off Etsy as well, and I thought they would be a perfect fit for her room.
What do you think?
Cool.
Is it pretty?
Wow. And I also got a Rapunzel Legos and a Rapunzel diamond painting.
Look at your room, Genesis. Everything is Rapunzel.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
And there's